Okay, let's take a look at this blow dryer. It's the Soft Times hair dryer. It's 110 to 140 volts. It weighs about less than a pound and a half. The cord is 5 feet long, and it is, let's just get into it because it looks wonderful. I love the little iridescence here. It has the diffuser, comes with carrying case, storage case, comes with the little brush to clean the filter. Here it is. It actually has the plastic around the stem, I guess, and then it has it around the head. Obviously, looks like this. I'm gonna plug it in and we're gonna go to town. Usually my hair takes a pretty long time to dry because it is thick and it's a lot. So it has 2 speeds, obviously high and low, and then it has this button here that changes the color of the LED light. So in order to clean this filter too with just this little brush, you just pull it down, clean it out, it does its job, and then put it back up. So obviously once you turn it on, you push the button and it's blue, so that's cool. And then orange is warm, and then red is hot. This is the lowest setting. Highest. Now normally when I use, when I blow dry my hair, it takes about 30 minutes with a normal hair dryer. These that are higher frequency, higher powered, I can get it done in about 5. So cuts a lot of time for me. And then it just is magnetic, so it just sticks on there. And then you can use a brush, or you can just kind of blow dry it and see what happens, which I'm gonna do a little bit of both. But this is a really great price point. It is a great gift. It's very compact. It would be great for travel and kids or guests or things like that. And it's high powered. It's not super loud like a lot of blow dryers. So here we go. All right, so there you go. I will take off this protective wrap, but as you can see, my hair is mostly dry. I like to kind of work it through my fingers at first, and then go back with a brush and kind of give myself an actual blowout. But most blow dryers that aren't high speed, I really have to like watch, tell that I wasn't super careful or anything, but I would definitely recommend this. It's definitely a savings. It's pretty compact, works great. Yeah, this is what I would do. And then also you can see it without the I feel like it works great either way. For me, I think I would like it with the diffuser on. But yeah, there you are. Hope you enjoy, and if you need something, need a new blow dryer or looking for something new, I hope you check this one out.